Hello guys, and good day to all of you. My name is Marjon Roar, and I am the reporter for today. Now, we discuss all about the effect of ICT in teaching mathematics. Guys, I'm excited, therefore, we go for that. Information and Communication Technology, or ICT, is a combination of device and technology resources which are used to manipulate and correlate information by Kware and Shin, year 2015. So, sinasabi nila na ang ICT daw ay mga device gaya ng mga cellphone, laptop, internet, at gamit ang mga device na to is kaya nilang i-manipulate ang isang information. So, ibig sabihin, pwede nilang palitan, baguhin, hulmahin, o i-improve pa through the use of those devices. The usage of ICT is becoming more crucial in education as it enables the development of a more proactive teaching and learning environment through college year 2014. So, sinasabi niya na ang ICT daw ay sobrang napaka-importante na ngayon sa pagtuturo. Which is tuturo naman, lalo na ngayon, ngayong pandemic. So, tayo pa rin ay nakakapag-aral through use of ICT. Aminin natin, kung wala ngayon tong mga gadget na to, is madaming mga bata na hindi makakapag-aral ngayon. Lalo na ngayong pandemic. The expansion of current era of technology, educators are encouraged to incorporate ICT into their teaching as a substitute for traditional teaching method by Kelvy and Kellogg 2014. So dahil sa tayo na sa makabagong mundo na, yung mga educator natin is hinihimok na ang ICT ang gamitin sa pagtuturo gamit ang mga teknolohiya, makabagong teknolohiya. At ito ay sa tingin ko is mas maganda nga. Kasi through use of this technology, mas mabilis yung information, parang mas mabilis lahat. Even the distance learning is hindi problema ngayon through use of this technology. ICT is not only a tool for teaching and learning, but also act as a driving force for an educator to play his or her role in education by James, year 2006. So, sinasabi niya dito na ang ICT daw is hindi lang sa pagtuturo. So, concentrate po tayo sa sinabi, also act as a driving force for an educator to play his or her role in education. For example, the application of ICT could expose students to various skills linked to their future needs, such as using Microsoft Word, email, and internet for lifelong learning process. So this is all about the application. Isa pa, ICT can help educator to obtain resources from outside their network, thus enabling them to transform the teaching and learning process. Ayon naman kay KMP, year 2013, the application of ICT is intended to refine and elevate both students' learning and educators' teaching qualities. It is a process of fitting technology to various learning and teaching conditions, whether inside the classroom or outside. So, sinasabi niya dito na parang gusto niyang itaas yung kalidad ng pagtuturo at pag-aaral through use of ICT, either outside or inside the classroom. Yun lang po yung interpretation ko sa sinabi niya. Moreover, the integration of ICT in education could increase students' competency based on global needs through skill shaping and increasing knowledge by Storm year 2011. So, sinabi niya, yung integration daw ng ICT or main goal ng ICT is itaas yung competency ng student based on global needs. Itaas yung karunungan ng estudyante at yung educator. Okay, ngayon usapang statistic naman tayo. ICT could be applied to all subjects, including mathematics. According to Keong et al., year 2005 is 89.5%. Wow, napakalaki. Of mathematics educator use the basic ICT application in their teaching. Ito kasi is pinag-uusapan dito is either America or whole world. Kaya ganun kalaki yung percentage ng paggamit ng basic application for teaching. Hindi kaya dito sa Pilipinas, madami pang gumagamit ng parang old curriculum. Lalong-lalo na yung mga nasa hindi saklaw ng may mga internet. So, yun. Dagdag ko na rin pala, the basic application include training software, visual and graphics, and online demonstration. This application function as teaching aid in mathematics. Other researchers show that technological integration in teaching mathematics include the use of Microsoft Excel, Drive, Mathematica, and Maple software for algebra by Keong et al. Year 2005. The use of Microsoft Excel facilitates